Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing another slime review, so let's get on with the video. First I have very messy hands. Let's see my hands. Let's see my hand. My hand. I just got slime stuck in my hand. First I have blue film slime. Let me just get all of this out with my sticks. It is very hard to get out. Did you hear that plopping sound? I'll do it again with this one. Listen, listen, listen. Listen for when it hits my table. Did you hear it? Look at this, it's like just flame. And here's like the proper bit that has the proper slime in. So yeah, now half of it's out, but never mind. Wow. Hello, I'm blindfolded. I can see you. I'm blindfolded. I can see you. I'm blindfolded. I can see you. I'm gonna make a swell if I can. That is. Okay, I'm gonna try. And if I do, I'm gonna show you. That failed. That failed very, very badly, so I'm not going to show you. Look, it doesn't stick to the table. Did you see that? I just went whoop. Get out. So now I'm going to do a little review of it here. You see that? Yep. Oh, look, it looks slide to the left. Now slide to the right. Crisscross, do do, crisscross, do do. Now cha-cha will smooth. Get off my hands. So, yeah, there's that one. And then that took me 3 minutes to show one slime. How long is this video gonna be? Next, I have this pink one. I think it's pink. Yeah, it's pink. It's gonna. Here it is. Yay! It's gonna pull all that out. It's taking so long to get out. It's like slime trying to get out of bed. Can you see me? You can see me. So, yeah. Ah! Looks like underwear again. Jiggly underwear. So now I'm just gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna do a little review of it. You see it? This one doesn't really poke. So, yeah, there's that one. So I'm just gonna put that back in there. Rainbow fountain, yay! By the way, unicorns live by rainbow fountains. That's what I believe. Unicorns, there's only one rainbow fountain in the whole entire world. That's where the unicorns live. That's what I think. There's like slime on the side of my phone. Sorry. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe this one. And do confetti slime. That one's sticky. I'm not gonna just. There's the confetti slime. I'll show you a different confetti slime. Cause that one's sticky. Sticky. I'm going to be careful this time for sticky ones. So I'm upstairs in my room, and I don't want to have to like go down and make these wait. So. Picture nearly fell. If you want to know which picture I'm talking about, it's heart-shaped. The one that just fell. And I'll leave more, and go and check out my room tour if you want to see which picture it is. Here's another flame slime. Love this one. This one used to be orange, but it mixed in with a bit of blue, so yeah, now it's green. Not a very nice colour to have foam slime, but never mind. So I'm just gonna put that back in there. Not gonna do a review of that one, look. Slime Mania! So yeah. Now I'm going to do my very, very sticky monster slime that you've seen before. I'm only going to show you a little bit because I do not want to get it all over me. So, a little bit of it. Googly eye. I'm not going to do a review of this one because go and check out my other slime review and you'll know why. Just, yeah. So, I've got a special slime similar to the one in the other video. Messy hand slime. So I'm gonna mix all of this like messy hand slime together, see what colour it makes. Sorry, this is taking like ages. Most of this is like green foam beads, purple and blue. So that's what it looks like. I'm like, hello. I'm from the dark side. I'm concentrating on my slime. So, dead one in a layer pack. Yay! So, that is my video. If you would like to see more, comment to my videos, like all of my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, this one isn't sticky. The messy hand slime isn't sticky. I recommend making messy hand slime. Get all your sticky slimes, get them all over your hands, and then mix all of your sticky slimes in together and see what colour it makes. So cool. So, bye for now. Oh wait, no, I have to give you this challenge, don't I? Try hit the subscribe button with I don't know what you should do it with. Try hit the subscribe button with your elbow. You try and hit the subscribe button with your elbow. see if we can get to over 20 likes in 2 weeks, because I've only just started YouTube and I need more subscribers. Yeah, just, even if you can't, just subscribe anyway. See if all of your friends can hit the subscribe button with their elbow. Tell everybody about my channel, 'cause I just need subscribers. Okay, bye!